Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to educate on turmeric essential oil. And by the end of the video, you'll be able to be an expert on turmeric and 8 ways how to use it. I would love to know how you use turmeric oil, so please let me know and comment below. Now let's dive in. I'm Kelly. I'm an occupational therapist and essential oil specialist. Hit the subscribe button and click the bell. I don't want you to miss a new uploaded video. And stay to the end for my downloadable recipes. Turmeric is a bright yellow, orangey spice that's derived from the plant's root and is a member of actually the ginger family. Turmeric is known for giving curry its color and has a distinct, warm, earthy, slightly bitter taste. And turmeric has a subtle sweetness with a mild, spicy kick and a woodsy aroma. The flavor is kind of compared to ginger and a slightly peppery taste. Turmeric is used all over, as in Asia and China, India, for over hundreds of years. Did you know that there's over 120 published research studies on the benefits of turmeric, which has been used for health practices over 4,000 years because of its serious health benefits? Let's dive into some of the chemical constituents which make up turmeric. Turmeric essential oil has two major constituents, sesquiterpenoids and monoterpenoids. And curcumin is the main natural chemical compound found in the turmeric root, which is where the powder is derived from. Curcumin has an array of benefits for the body, from healthy inflammatory responses to antioxidants, microbial, and so much more. What is turmeric oil good for? Well, turmeric provides amazing support for your metabolic system, referring specifically to your glucose levels and lipid metabolism. Turmeric supports also your endocrine system by making insulin more sensitive. This also supports a healthy nervous system and healthy cognitive function. May enhance your cellular antioxidant enzymes, which one of them is glutathione, which is about helping our immune response. Turmeric also helps the body turn on that ability to fight free radicals and protecting from oxidative stress and damage. Now, curcumin seems to inhibit most of the pathways involved in inflammation, which gives curcumin a broad spectrum approach. And many studies have shown that it mimics certain medications. It can also have a range of emotional benefits, primarily to your limbic system, which is a part of your brain that regulates emotion and mood and memory. Now, let's go over 8 ways to use the turmeric essential oil. It is very versatile, which can be used internally, topically, and aromatically. doterra's turmeric can be used internally because of the nutritional facts listed on the back. Aromatically is our first one. We're going to use 3 to 4 drops in your diffuser of choice to promote relaxation. In an amazing aromatic blend, add ginger and grapefruit to that for a spice rack scent. If you're looking for your holiday dinner scent, diffuse turmeric with cinnamon bark and cardamom. The second way is to dilute 1 drop in a 4-ounce liquid, example, coffee. So here's the recipe: 1 cup of coconut milk, 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of your choice of sweetener or honey, a tablespoon of butter or ghee, and 1 to 2 drops of turmeric oil. Save the oil to the end, but you're going to heat all the rest of the ingredients up on the stove, pour it in a cup, and then add your turmeric oil and enjoy. Third way is topically. Apply 1 to 3 drops to that desired area. And you're going to want to dilute it with a coconut oil or a carrier oil of choice to minimize any skin sensitivities or irritations. Turmeric will help promote smooth and may minimize any bumps on the skin. It's great for a spot application treatment daily. Now, the fourth way is turmeric helps with acne. And other breakouts that you may have. So you can add that to your daily routine. The fifth way is to help with aches and discomforts after your workout. So apply it to your joints with a carrier oil of choice. Stiffness and sore areas can also be relieved with turmeric oil. You can apply it to your arms or legs to support your circulation. It can be blended with cypress to support lymphatic flow and drainage channels. Next is studies have found curcumin can increase levels of neurotrophic factors and in protein to help support the growth and survival of neurons in your brain. Turmeric can also help promote that healthy skin, radiant looking shininess. Then you can use it for a cleaning agent. It's great with a few drops of water and to clean your surfaces. Thank you for making it to the end. And like promised, here's my downloaded recipes and a link to my private essential oil made easy class. Give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video.